channel. In this video I will discuss about different areas of the heart where heart sounds of or valvular sounds can be listened, and these areas are in the fifth intercostal space, in the mid clavicular line we can listen the mitral valve sounds. In the fifth intercostal space at the left sternal border we can listen tricuspid valvular sounds. In the second intercostal space on the left sternal border we can listen pulmonary valve sounds, and in this area, that is second intercostal space on the right sternal border, we can listen the aortic sounds. And there is a point in the third intercostal space, that is Ebb's point. Now how you can remember? You can make a Z line and